Hey everybody, it's me Ivy. So sorry for a long time wait on my Halloween room tour, but I decided to do some cleaning today. So it is, I don't know, 5 something in the evening. So that's why I have my light on. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you what I decorate for Halloween in my room. So let's get started. Closer. And yeah, I haven't done my birthday haul. So just bear with me. I'm still waiting on birthday presents from my sister. So yeah. And over there my ghost this year. I have it zoomed out so you can see more. I don't mind my clean clothes. And that's it.